Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both files and connecting them, make editable copies, and open the target sheet. Once done, copy the source sheet ID and grant permission using import range. In a new tab, paste equals import range, source ID, sheet 1, AZ, and allow access. This gives you a live, synced range. Make sure headers match exactly and convert dates and numbers to consistent formats. That prevents false mismatches later and keeps formulas predictable. Now you run the core comparison logic. Add a stable key column, ID, email, or concatenated fields so each row matches uniquely. Use match or VLOOKUP to find absent keys in the other sheet, and use array formula with IF to compare whole columns at once. For example, compare amounts using equals array formula, if trim, A2, A equals trim imp range B2, B, OK, diff. Then apply conditional formatting rules to those result columns so differences stand out, and you can scan anomalies quickly. Finally, consolidate and act on the flagged differences. Filter the status column for missing or diff and copy those rows into a reconciliation tab. Once copied, add notes, assign ownership, and use unique and sort to reduce duplicates before exporting a CSV or sharing access. If things go wrong, first verify import range permissions, exact header names, and that ranges cover all rows. Often a mistyped header or a stray space causes false mismatches. Then rerun the comparison and finalize fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.